my Traeger. We're going to smoke some salt today. So here I've got a little smoke tube. I'm going to use that in addition to what the Traeger puts out. So I'll get this lit, and then we'll get a pan of salt and get it on here, get it smoking. So all I got to do is light this. There we go. We'll let that burn for a little bit. This has been burning for about four minutes or so. So I think we'll blow that out and turn it on its side back in here, and we'll put salt in there and try it out and see how we do. Here we go. Carefully lay that back here. Okay, it's been about an hour. We're gonna go check on this salt, see how it's looking here. Give it a little stir. Oh yeah, different colors in it. Okay, we'll stir this up and get it going again. Okay, here it is. I think we're going to take this salt off. It's been a little over 4 hours. That smoke tube has quit smoking. So this is just the smoke off the Traeger itself. So we're gonna pull this salt. I think it's done.